Hello, this is Babatenda here. I'm going to show you in this video how you can fix an error called an error 96, an error where you can't send messages using your phone. So this error is can't send messages with the Airtel Tigo error 96. So this error can happen to any phone where when you don't have a correct SMS center. So basically, you can update your SMS center through your message app and go to settings. But for some reason, is there I can't see the SMS center setting of my phone. I believe this is an issue with Android 9. So then let me show you how you can fix this one. It's very simple actually. You now go to your phone dialer app and then you enter star pound, then 46 pound star. This one opens the service mode or the engineer mode, and then you go to phone information. Then you scroll down and you see that SMS Center or SMC is doesn't have anything. Actually, when you refresh, you just see that it's on one, and you need to update this one. So you enter the correct SMS Center number. You can find it from your network. So for my network, I just enter plus 250. I already have here. So I remove this space and then I go to update. So when I update this one, I am sure this is the correct SMS center of my network, Airtel. So let me go back and see if I can send SMS now. Okay, if I just now refresh the SMS, I can see the sends. Okay, so I'm now able to fix this issue. So you can use this trick if you have the same issue in future. And if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel.